Hi guys, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel, Naija News and Entertainment. Meet the most beautiful and sexy Bbnaija Season 5 Female Housemate 2020. The Big Brother Naija reality show is known for its unique ways of featuring beautiful and sexy ladies ranging from Mercy to Tacha to Cee-c Nina and others. I'll be reviewing the female housemates in the new Season 5 Lockdown edition, rank them according to how beautiful they are. Here are the top 10 most beautiful Bbnaija Season 5 Lockdown female housemates. On number 1 spot we have Nngi. Rebecca Nngi Hampson is one of the most beautiful housemates in this year's Bbnaija show. The 22-year-old studied communications and graduated from the University of Port Harcourt. Nngi, who is a model and entrepreneur, have the highest fan base with over 100,000 followers. Number 2, Watouni. The 29-year-old single mom is a fashion entrepreneur who owns a parenting blog. She speaks and writes in Swahili perfectly. She's a lover of music and her plan for the house is to bring in all the fun and also try to find love. On number 3 spot, we have Erica. Nngi Rebecca is a graduate of Met Film School, London, an actress and a commercial model. She dislikes attention seekers and people who don't take care of their hygiene. She also says she's bringing a lot of good vibes to the house. One of her greatest achievements is producing a first short film with a team in Birmingham and being in the movie I, A Woman. On number 4 spot, we have Dora. Do I begin from the part where this busty lady started trending on Twitter the very moment she graced the screen? 24-year-old Dora believes she is the only one who should make you smile. Her sassiness will definitely prove to be an asset in Biggie's house. The Lagos babe is blessed with a lot of sass and she says she doesn't vibe with proud people. Number 5, Lilo. Lilo is a dietitian based in Lagos. She's 23-year-old and she doesn't like people being in her business. She's a goal-driven and she likes to be in charge. At number 6, we have Katarina. She is a single mom of a beautiful daughter and she is not in the house to look for love but to promote her brand. She dreams to be famous and own the biggest fashion brand in the world. She loves to have a lot of money and have fun. Number 7, Kaisha. Kaisha is 25-year-old and she hails from Sokoto State. She owns a skincare business and describes herself as a hardworking lady who gets along with people. She loves to sing and dance. Number 8, Tonally. Beautiful Tonally is a media personality and she says she likes Naira. Guys, we have a Malian in the house. Another Lagos babe, the 27-year-old says she is the life of the party and she loves to cook. Number 9, V. Born and raised in London, Victoria Adeyele, popularly called V, is a 23-year-old musician now based in Lagos. She says she's going into the house to make people laugh and have fun. Her biggest achievement is performing at the Palm Wine Music Festival last year. At number 10, we have Lucy. 30-year-old Lucy says she lights up every room she enters. She is an entrepreneur and she says she's a simple girl who believes in fairy tale. Okay guys, this is our top 10 most beautiful female housemates in the Bbnaija Lockdown 2020. I hope your favorite housemate got the right spot in our list. If not, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when a story drops.